How to get verified on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can get verified on Facebook app. So let's dive in. So first, open up your Facebook app and click these three horizontal lines on the bottom right corner that says menu, and then you have to choose this Facebook settings over here. Choose settings over here. So you'll see this verification in your account center. Under the account center setting, click see more in account center. Now scroll down and you'll see this option meta verification. Click this option. And here you can see you can join the waiting list for Meta Verified. A verified badge makes your audience trust you that you're a real person sharing your real stories, and it increases your account protection. It gives you enhanced support. It upgrades your profile features, and you can also use unique stickers to express yourself with stickers that are only available to Meta Verified subscribers. Now, Meta Verified is not available for people younger than 18 years of age. You can join the waiting list over here, and you can see all Meta Verified eligibility requirements by clicking this blue option. Click it and it's going to open up this menu for you. Now you can read through and just see what's the eligibility criteria for a subscriber and account eligibility, and then you can just scroll through and just read it through. This article will help you a lot. Click cancel on the top left corner and then click join waiting list. Now you are on the waiting list. The countdown begins for a verified badge, enhanced support, impersonation protection, and even more ways to grow your brand. They are expanding Meta Verified to new places all the time, so when it's available in your area, we'll let you know. So you have to click OK over here, and that's how you do it. Now once it's available in your area, you'll automatically just join it if you're completely on the eligibility criteria. Thanks for watching.